Hey, I'm Johan and I'm a senior developer advocate working at Microsoft. I've been the creator and lead maintainer for the last 3 years of an Angular project generator that's called NGX Rocket. So NGX Rocket is an Angular project generator that you can use to create all kinds of projects, including mobile, PWA, or Electron applications. It comes with a lot of built-in integration to quickly get started. Like, for example, it has a responsive UI template based on either Material, Ionic, or Bootstrap. It has localization, developer tooling, and even deployment option, all from one CLI. One of the cool things of the project, in my opinion, is that if you want to customize the output, for example, to integrate your very own company design system or your authentication system directly in the template of the project, there's an add-on system that you can use for that, so you don't have to completely fork the project and maintain your own version. So in this project, we really welcome all kinds of contribution, whether it's code, documentation, feedbacks, ideas, bug reports, tutorials, really, you name it. When speaking about contribution, most people will think about code and new feature first, but really adding new features, really adding or fixing new documentation, updating the website, improving the CI or the build system is in the end what's really the most helpful contribution, because that's always what is lacking in OSS project, because first we concentrate on new feature and bug fixing and we forgot a bit about the rest, so that's really what's helpful. The first skill I think you really need to contribute is first to know how to use GitHub, and to know also a bit about Git if you want to propose pull requests. Then if you want to go a bit deeper, if you want to work on the generator code and propose maybe new features, in that case, you'll need to know a bit about web development, JavaScript, and especially Angular, of course. To get started, my advice would be first to take a look at the open issues in the main page of the project. You can search for the good first contribution label for the issues to see if there's something maybe you would like to work for. If you have your very own idea, that's okay. Then my tip would be to create an issue for it so other people know what you're working on. And in that case, also you can use the issue to ask feedbacks or comments and see how it will best fit the project. Also on GitHub, we have a contribution guide in the page of the project. That's a good place to start if you want to write some code and don't know where to begin at or what's the process to submitting a pull request. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask questions, because at the end, if something is unclear, that means that's also something that can be improved on the project. So that's always a good thing. Most of the docs that have been written was already based on questions we received on the project. So we are very welcoming to new questions.